Hey everyone, Delvon Digital here. So I'm not going to sit here and bore you with a lot of talking and jabber jabber, but go ahead, pop your popcorn, grab your juice, relax, and let's get right into this video. So everyone, welcome to my first POV video. Here I'm just getting the camera ready for my first shot. And I thought the clock looked nice from the distance, so started to move in a little closer to see if I can actually get a better shot of the clock. And I guess when I got to it, it just didn't feel the same, but I went ahead and shot anyways, and I got a pretty good shot out of it. I thought so. Then I proceeded to just move over, and I thought about getting another shot, but then I stopped. Then these two old ladies walked up to me, and they asked me if I was taking a picture of them. I asked the one in the black, I was like, would you like a picture? She was like, yeah. And I thought about giving her a whole photo shoot. But nah, she walked away. But I did kind of sneak in and take a picture of them when they kind of walked by. Just wanted to, like, you know, see how that came out. But I didn't like it, so I didn't post it up or anything like that. But it was pretty nice talking to them. So I'm out here just looking for things and people to shoot. There's not many people out here today, so I had to like focus on other things than people. But when I saw a person, I did try to take advantage of it every single time. I had a little problems over here because I wanted to shoot that table, and I really didn't like the shot, even though I did shoot it anyways. But this light right here was really giving. I was really feeling this light, so I made sure I shot it twice in two different angles. I thought it came out pretty well. And that's when I decided to go ahead and try my luck and go across the street and see if I could find anything. But I stopped in the middle of the street because I thought it looked right to shoot. It was just nice. I liked the clouds, the sky, and everything else. Then I got a little bit lower because I love taking those low shots to the ground. And then I got even lower, and I made sure that I focused on the street itself. Some of my favorite type of shots that I like doing. So here, just trying to find something to shoot. It's not really much going on out here that much, but you know, I definitely got this guy that I walked past, but I made sure that I got a nice little gap between me and him. And I turned around and I made sure that I focused on him while he was walking, and voila, great shot. Thought I'd get that moving vehicle for no reason. I thought this plant was pretty nice, so I decided to go ahead and just shoot this on the table. Nothing special, just a plant. What you think? Came out great? I think so. So here I am trying to shoot the street. Thought I was going to get the street sign, and then I decided to get a little bit more of it because shooting the street sign by itself just didn't seem right. I didn't really like the shot that I did. So here I am trying to shoot that lady right there. I feel like a sniper right now. Okay, that's not nice. I know it's not nice. But yeah, I got her. And then this guy right here, pretty nice guy. I guess he owns the store right down there. And I thought it was a friend of mine that used to own this building. You know, it used to be a t-shirt store. And he was trying to get out of my way. I was like, I'm trying to shoot that. It's really nice. But it was so perfect that he was right there. So, of course, me being me, I grabbed both of them. I thought it was a nice shot. But yeah, whoever did the artwork up there, it's really nice. So then he goes into the shop and that conversation was over. So this is an old theater right here around the area that I actually seen the Lion King in that the first time ever. But now it's a live action theater. It used to be a movie theater. The Lion King. That's like 1996, right? Yeah. I thought that sign was pretty cool, so that's why I shot it. No apparent reason. It's a nice car right there. But then, like, when I was walking, there was this guy on this motorcycle just blasting music, and I thought it would be an interesting photo. Wish you can hear the music that he was blasting. It was great. As I continued to walk, I just looked for things. There was a family across the street that I wanted to shoot, but every time there was somebody looking in my direction, trying to see what I was doing and probably looking at my chest strap. So I decided not to shoot them because I didn't want to have any problems, just in case they felt like, you know, I'm spying on them or something. And there was this lady, and I just kind of like faked it and came back, and then I shot her. Wow, just like that. See, they thought I walked past, but I didn't. I kind of stopped and turned back, as you can see. So here I am on my phone, just looking at some stuff right now, because I'm getting to a less public area now. So now there's nobody around, and I'm just randomly shooting at this point. So I'm just replying to some text messages and everything else until I get to my next spot, which is this building right here. But this car happened to pull up, and it was nice, so I shot it in that building. And then I kept on walking. And here is a gate. I just randomly walked up to it and was like, hey, maybe I could get something out of this. And I think the shot came out pretty good. Took multiple shots, maybe one or two. Got the sign as well. And I decided to keep on walking. Now, there was a pole down there that I did shoot, but I really didn't like the photo, so I didn't post it, and I just kept on walking. And I thought it was very interesting on this pier. So, of course, like shots like this, I like to get like the leading lines, which I'm really in love with leading lines. So I decided to go ahead and get a few shots of this, both in portrait mode and in landscape mode, to see which one comes out better. And I decided to keep on walking down, and I was like, whoa, this looks nice. Let me get that bridge over there. So I remember spending a lot of time trying to get this edit just right, because it looks really good, but there were so many different things I could do with that edit. Again, I stopped to shoot the leading lines. Love leading lines. And I remember walking on this thing. It was like, what if Jason jumps out? Like in, you know, the Jason movie with, what was it, Freddy versus Jason, when it came flying out the water or something like that. I thought it was pretty cool. I love me some horror movies, you know. It's my favorite genre. I was really upset at this shot right here because I wish that I had a further zoom, because I really wanted to get these birds. But I had my 18 to, my 24 to 105. So I got as far as I could get. It's okay. Shot came out nice still. Anyways, I could have cropped it. More leading lines. And I had to get a little low because I really love that shot. I wanted to get another one of it. This thing started to feel a little wobbly and stuff. I thought I was going to fall. So I pulled one of those moments. Whoa. Yeah. And then I grabbed the rail. I started walking. I wasn't really scared though. I just did that for dramatic effect for the video. And then I decided to get the leading lines one more time. And there you go. And then I thought I was done. I was ready to like stop and just move on and take this long walk back to the car and call it a day. But I just couldn't stop shooting. So as I walked off this pier, I looked to the right and decided to get 2 more shots before leaving this area. I thought the first shot was nice, and I thought about leaving. I was like, no, one more. Yeah, that shot was amazing. All right, so now I'm heading back on this long journey all the way back to the car. And as I got close, I saw this lady crossing the street, and I did the best I could do. It's not the shot that I wanted to get, but you know, I should have ran across the street a lot faster to get the shot that I wanted, but it's okay. she got too far from me. You got to be quick on your feet with these street photography shots. So I blame that on myself, being an amateur at this. First time doing this, really. And then that lady right there, I did a little whoop around, and I got one more shot. And it was like a perfect shot. I loved it. So then this guy I ran into, and he asked me for my information because he's always looking for photographers. And I told him that I was going to send him some photos, but I don't know what to send him. So what I did is compiled a bunch of photos into a new portfolio of everything that I shoot, from my portraits to weddings to product shots and everything. And I sent him the link, and he likes it. So I developed a relationship with him since this video, and I shot for him once already. So it's great, when you meet people out here and stuff like that. And as you can see, I have a Pixel fold right there, and I got a case up there as well. I use the case because sometimes when I'm out and about and I got sweatpants on, my phone will fall out my pocket. So therefore I like to go ahead and have that. But yeah, that guy was pretty nice, pretty cool guy. So I got his phone number locked in, and I decided to head back. And I was like, wow, you could meet some really nice people out here doing street photography. I think I'll do this again. I really enjoyed it. So you can expect more videos like this for sure. Well, everyone, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and this will conclude the very end of the video. I shot with the Canon EOS-R with the 24-105 lens with a cage. It's one of my favorite lenses to shoot with. So if you enjoyed that video, please be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and share button. And please come back here for more content like this. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.